Good morning, viewers. Today I'm on the central coast of New South Wales. South coast. South central? Central south. Central coast is up north. So I am on I don't know where I am. I'm at National Falls, which is on the south coast of Sydney-ish. I think we're a little bit out of Sydney, so if you know, let me know in the comments. But I'm just here and I'm going to take a few shots of a waterfall here, and then we're going to catch a train down a station to Helensburgh and look at the old abandoned station and railway tunnel there. With the shots today, I'm going to be using a roll of Ektar 100 just because I think it's slightly warmer tones will sort of suit the nature-y kind of photos that I'm taking today. The conditions are not exactly ideal here. It's a bit harsh in the sunlight. There's a bit of cloud cover, so that might help out a little bit. But I think what I'm going to do here is try and overexpose the images a touch, just to try and compress the highlights and bring up the shadows and reduce some of that contrast. Ideally, I'd like to full process it, but I know that down at the next place I'm going, it's going to be quite a contrasty kind of shoot, so I've got to shoot somewhere in the middle between these two environments, given that I'm just using the one roll of film for all of these shots. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on shooting. Two things I almost always use for waterfall shoots are 10-stop ND filter, so you can do a long exposure and get the movement of the water captured, and a circular polarizer to cut out a lot of the reflections and make some of the colors really pop. So this waterfall you can walk behind somewhere, not exactly sure where. But I'll figure out the framing of this first up. Cut the reflections. All right. Will we do it without the ND? Probably not. We're about 1.5 stops without the ND. It's a bit darker, the framing of this one, so we'll try it without the ND. What else I think maybe even further up there could work. Yeah, and this one I just need to kind of have it standing right up. Again, this one could work without the ND. It's about 1.5 stops overexposed. It's kind of what I'm going for. I can't hear the soft timer, so I'm just assuming this is going. Alright, I might get further back, see if I can go for like a wider kind of a shot. And oh, that looks pretty nice. Maybe out on that rock, here where it's drier. Alright, stop down, go F22 and drop our shutter speed down to 0.7 seconds. F8. Yeah, 2 seconds F8, self timer on. Alright, 2 seconds, stop down to F22. Alright, I reckon that's about me done. Let's focus down and let's head off to the train station. Some of the shit out of here. Alright, and then we'll try one down here and tilt it up a little bit. I think I need to get across to be dead center. Alright, so there's water dripping there and there. Let's try to find somewhere that there's not so much water dripping.